Smoke one. Again, I gotta talk about some shit because it's fresh on my mind because it just happens to be right now. And that's weak ass niggas trying to goddamn keep tabs on bullshit. Petty ass little. I ain't even gonna say petty ass tit for tat because that's my thing is if we wanna play tit for tat, then let's go tit for tat all the way. See, and niggas think you petty when you get technical, but you gonna come at me with some bullshit. You know what I mean? Like, if I'm putting money in niggas every day, all the time, every time we do something, go somewhere, whatever, you know what I'm saying? I, looks out because, you know what I'm saying, I just feel like it, you know what I'm saying, or whatever. Then the motherfucker, if they do one thing, like, pay for your shit one time, then they gonna always hold that to your ass like that's even, you know what I mean? Like, you just paid $10 for my plate, you know what I'm saying? But I done bought you a couple drinks in the club, you know what I mean? But I owe you $10, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't steady walking around saying, well, you owe me $14 from the club, from the drinks, you know what I mean? But when you say that shit, then yes, I'm gonna say that shit, you know what I'm saying? And on top of, when I already felt like the shit was ended anyway, when you come at me with some shit like, hey, I'm trying to get some weed, you know what I'm saying? You ain't even trying to get my weed. First of all, you called me asking about some fucking Reggie. Which was already the first no-no, you know what I'm saying? Niggas don't fuck with no Reggie, you know what I'm saying? You called me asking about the Reggie, so you wasn't trying to spend no money with me, you know what I mean? Then, you remember, I owe your ass, hold on, let me get this right. Owed your ass $10. Look, when you speak of the devil, boy, he'll show up. But look, I owe your ass $10, so then, you know what I'm saying, you want to get some loud now, because you want to deduct the 10 from the price to pay, you know what I'm saying, and I'll let you get it for that, because I'm like, okay, fuck it. For your 10, yes, you can get the 2 grits for the 30, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Hypothetically, you know what I'm saying, this is all entertainment purposes, federal government. I'll let you get that shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm not throwing 10 for 10, but here you is still throwing this $10 in my face.
10 funky ass dollars.
And that's supposed to be my fault.
My nigga from the hood. Back to subject one, man. People just act bitchy sometimes, you know? But it is what it is. This is the world, America, like we said before. Last blog before this. It happens everywhere, no matter the age.
Everywhere.
It's like a fucking nigger moment. Niggas have bitch moments. Like, I don't know what
niggas
it is.
Niggas be on their periods.
Like, get it together. Are you about to have a baby, motherfucker?
Right.
Shit.
Real shit.
Simp ass nigga.
Hormonal.
Comb your hair. Do something. I don't know. Other than bitching. Trying to talk about.
Over here still.
I owe niggas $8 and shit. Bring me to J-Town.
Thanks for the ball.
I'm $8, bitch. Nigga, you want to squat up? Let's go. Let's go, motherfucker. Let's ride.